This is the official start of the Ewald Expeditions trip 2025. We're headed down to the Black Hills in South Dakota. We're gonna have a heck of a good time. Let's get this started.
Welcome back to the channel. So we are in the Black Hills National Forest and we're trying to find our way to Castle Peak Campground, and the GPS took us the wrong way.
Service post. I wanted to see what it said because it looked almost like there was a two-track road over there, but it says no vehicles. So
okay, so we got to turn around. The GPS took us the wrong way and go back up there where we were already going on another way, and there was a sign that said campground this way, and we went that direction, and that wasn't the right way either. Well, we think it was the wrong way, but it might be the right way because this took us to private property and a no trespassing gate and all that. So we turned around. We're gonna go back where the road split and go the other way and see if it takes us, even though it doesn't follow my GPS. We're gonna go that way and see if we can make it to the campground. And it's already almost 11 o'clock at night, and the temperature's down to 36 degrees, and we're gonna go hammock camping. So hopefully we don't freeze to death, and yeah, go from there. All right, we got our camp finally set up, me and Maddox, and he's got the stove out. We're about to make some brats on the grill. We got our hammocks back there, tarp over the top, and yeah, it's only midnight, but we made it. We're here, and this is my new camp light. A K-Laris CL2 light, rechargeable, and these things fold up and down, and yeah, it's got like 4 stages, puts out a ton of light. Really nice light, and I like it. My wife got it for me, and yeah, it works good. So this is where we'll be for tonight, and we'll get back with you in the morning. Well, good morning. Here we are. Got some of our stuff packed up. Cooking coffee right there. We already loaded up our hammocks and everything in the back of the truck. There's Maddox. See what he's making for breakfast. What is that, a skirt steak? Yeah. Some skirt steak, potatoes, mix it all together. Probably some eggs, throw it in a tortilla, and yeah, go from there. And then we'll get out of here and see where we end up. This is Castle Peak Campground in the Black Hills Forest in South Dakota. It's pretty out here. And we'll see where the day takes us. This is the creek running along the backside of our campground here. It's flowing pretty good. We got here in the middle of the night, so we didn't really couldn't see it, but we could hear it. We're just camped right there. making coffee and cooking, and then we'll get out of here in a minute, head on up the trail to somewhere else and see what we can find. Max is in front. We're headed up. It's the morning of day one. Headed down Castle Peak Road. Headed towards Flag Mountain Lookout, and we'll try and find whatever we can look at and explore between here and there. Okay, here's the road we just came up through all them trees. Not really much of a road, but it started out as a 2-track up through all that nonsense. It's Max's truck, and then yeah, now we got this view up here looking out. Not bad for the Black Hills of South Dakota National Park, or not National Park, National Forest. There's Maddox.
What's up?
So there we go. That's what we got here, and we'll keep trying to make our way towards our camping area for the night, and go that route. Here we are again on another road, still trying to make it to the Flag Mountain. This road's been a little rough. There's some aspen trees up here. Trying to find us a place to camp right up in here. Keep